we're back with the blade. Alright, this goes on our TB160. So it matches the other one. Gonna open this. We got dishes on the sink. Flies everywhere. And I have to turn this off to go murder some flies. Alright, here's a comparison. I don't know why my phone won't focus. So, everything's correct. So you're gonna have to have help, maybe, with a friend to put this on here. So when you tip the mower, you want to tip it so that the oil cap is on the tip side, because if you tip it this way, the gas is gonna run out of here. See that, are you?
It's the top.
No. When you put this through.
I know how to do that.
Okay.
I'm just asking if this is the top.
This is the top. You want me to move the mower?
No, no.
Is it dirty?
You go like this?
No.
Okay.
It goes like that because that protects the nut on it.
There it is. Move your hand. Ratchet. I got some more.
More?
You already...
It's gonna go towards the back. I don't think that piece of wood's gonna be good enough. It's as easy as that, even though you probably didn't see jack because it's dark in here. But yeah, that's basically how you change the blade on it. What the hell is this flashlight? What a piece of garbage. Alright. Can I borrow your phone, Miss Youll?
right?
Yes.
Trying. Here. I think the fingers won't get the right buttons.
Thank you. Alright. So basically that's what it looks like when you're done. This flange piece is going to go down as to protect the bolt and tuck in this piece that holds it and keeps it from turning. And then when you unscrew it, it's going to go towards the front, and then when you screw it back in, it's going to go towards the back. And we have a 2x4 that helps us hold the blade so somebody doesn't have to hold the blade. That's basically how you do it.